This is your channel messages for the 5th of May. Aries, I was channel message. I was hearing someone's girlfriend is in a penitentiary for second-degree murder. Some don't know who your girlfriend tried to kill or who your girlfriend did kill. I'm getting somebody's on a second-degree murder charge. I'm getting them in a one penitentiary. So I'm getting something about what happened to your girlfriend. I don't know if you're still with her. I'm getting somebody's girlfriend is in a penitentiary for second-degree murder. That's what I did hear yesterday. Okay? Clear audiently. Some of the doctors might say it is schizophrenia, but you still watch me on YouTube every day. So am I schizophrenic or are you schizophrenic for watching a schizophrenic? Exactly. Hi YouTube. Hello YouTube technicians. How are you today? Are you doing good? Still blocking my content? Yeah? Great. Let's go ahead and go into your reading. The Emperor. I don't know if you're your girlfriend or Emperor. I don't know if you set up on your girl, you set up your girlfriend, you set up your wife. You make your wife take the fall for a crime you commit. And since the officers, sometimes they cannot be special forces. They're just special. Them specially force you, you know. Sometimes the officers don't have... Sometimes these police officers, they're not special forces. They'll specially force you for go down for your charge you never commit. That's like you lock up in a prison, you never get a collect call, no police officer ever talk to you, you don't know what the crime is, you never saw a judge. Then just lock you up. And say you get locked up on this charge. You don't know say you lock up. You don't know why you lock up. You never talk to a police officer before. You never go in front of one judge before. You never go in a one handcuff. You never the fingerprints. The police them never take your... You know that? You know the thing where you take... First of all, Mrs. Sometimes police officers will take pictures of people. No police officer never take pictures of me before. I mean I have no mugshot. Man, I have no blood clot mugshot. That's like somebody take a picture of you, a passport size photo, and people like, how you dress up so in a mugshot? How your mugshot looks so nice? Yeah, because it's not a mugshot, it's a passport size photo. Somebody use a passport photo and I say I want a mugshot. Anyways, I'm getting someone's girlfriend is going down for murder. Or you pin something on your girlfriend. Let's go. We have the Wheel of Fortune coming out first. Okay, so is this something about a Jewish organization? Something about some Jewish people? Yeah, me getting she get catch. She go down for murder. Is a Jewish woman. Me getting a Jewish wife. Yeah, me getting second-degree murder. What is second-degree murder? What do you call that? Second-degree murder. Second-degree murder in Canada under section 231 of the criminal code is a deliberate killing that occurs without prior planning or premeditation. So them Jewish, this is premeditated. You might need to change the second to first. They're saying, oh, somebody getting a one. You got into altercation with somebody and then and there you stab them, you kill them, you hit them. That's second degree. First degree is if you plan for go them house with a weapon and hurt them. If you plan for wait until May the 9 for rush them, that is first degree murder. If you and them was in a altercation just then and there and a fight and she lick her head and she never wake up, that's a second degree murder. Yeah, me getting something about some Jewish people. This woman, this Jewish woman, she get charged for second degree murder. I don't know if she was trying to murder a non-Jew or she murder somebody within the organization. The son, yeah, Leo. Me getting she's a Leo woman. Me getting is a Leo woman. She could be Jewish or she fucking a Jew. Me getting she'll get charged for second degree murder. Yeah, second degree murder. This is not Miss Criminal Advice, YouTube technicians. Don't keep fucking blocking me for Miss Medical Advice. Chances are you might fucking block me for Miss Jurisdictional Advice. This is not misinformation, YouTube technicians. If you had a girlfriend, you wouldn't be doing this to me. Every fucking time I tell the YouTube technicians, remember tell the people what's happening. YouTube is like, no, isn't YouTube red pill? Isn't YouTube red pill? So for the why YouTube, you're the click the button what click it red. You ain't blue. This ain't Twitter. You ain't blue, motherfuckers. Why every time I talk about red things on YouTube and ban me? Aren't you red pill? Conservative red. Anyways, let's continue the reading. We have the Hangman and we also have the three. Yeah. So they might kill you over jealousy. Or they might kill you over one Gemini man. That's what happened. Me getting you and a girl was fucking the same man. And you see that the man step out on her. And she and you know the same thing what happened to Vanessa Gonzalez. The same army girl in America who did have sex with this army guy. And the army guy and his girlfriend kill her. You remember the whole case of Vanessa? The military Spanish girl. Vanessa Gillian. She was a U.S. Army soldier who was murdered at Fort Hood, Texas in 2020. She was Hispanic heritage, right? Her case sparked a national conversation about sexual assault and harassment within the military and led to the reform of how the military handles such incidents. The murder also led to the creation of the I Am Vanessa Gillian Act, which criminalizes sexual harassment in the military. And this wasn't just sexual harassment, she was fucking a military man. And the military man was did have a girlfriend. And when the girlfriend found out her man of Vanessa Gillian, right? The girl say, you need to prove say you love me. Me and you gonna kill her. And he must tell the girlfriend tell the army man for bring her upon a hike. You know, bring her on a hiking trail, bring her fishing, bring her somewhere isolated, and she and the man walk up the trail and the girlfriend come kill her. That's a premeditated murder. That's first-degree murder. Somebody saying that me getting somebody in the penitentiary for second degree. Maybe a so-called take them man, or you take food from them mouth, so them await you, lay wait you for either beat you, or them never plan to kill you, or them lay wait you for stab you up, but them plan to kill you. Me getting this a go on over one man, one Gemini man, and him just watching all of this. But me getting the Leah woman, me getting the woman, me getting me getting somebody to get charged. I was here in second degree, but now I said the lover's card with two women. I feel like that need to go to first degree, and you need to question the Gemini too. You need to question the man. I don't know if you have enough evidence. Me getting the man know what go on, but him hands so-called clean. Him and make the girl them go at it, but him I instigate it. The Wheel of Fortune is clarified by the 10 of, me getting it's a Pisces Jewish woman, or something about one Pisces. I don't know if you was fucking a Pisces man. It's a Pisces Jewish man. Did they fuck him? He was a married man with kids. 8 of Swords clarified by the devil and the 10 of, I'm getting ever since you fuck him, that's how it starts. I'm getting you start get burdened. You don't know why you get burdened. Either you stop having sex with the Pisces, or the Pisces partner found out you were having sex with him or her, and I saw the pressure start. And you don't know why you get tormented. You don't know who torment you. I want Pisces person. Well, Pisces bitch. The Strength card. No amount of blood clot, Shabbat Shalom, or blood clot Passover can happen for your pussy close. The Strength card is clarified by the Moon card. Because I'm getting she know about this encounter. I don't know if they might look for one sacrifice. This couple, we're looking for a sacrifice. You don't have one baby? Right. The walls of your pussy has been sacrificed. What's the Hangman? The fool, alright, you get where. Maybe you're detached from the couple. Can me getting the baby? I don't know if somebody get pregnant and they're like, oh, she pregnant, me gonna kill her. Me getting somebody girlfriend in a penitentiary for second degree murder. That's what me getting. But me getting is first degree, it's not second. Somebody saying that they never premeditated it. If you brought a weapon, if you brought a weapon to confront somebody, that's first degree murder. You bring a weapon. You can't bring guns somewhere and say you never planned to use it, but you did plan for argue. That's first degree murder. Or somebody will send them girlfriend for try to attack you. Somebody will send them girlfriend. Me getting you might not know who the girl is, but the Gemini know who the girl is. And the Gemini show the girl your picture. I don't know why this, I don't know something about this couple. I don't know what the fuck is happening with this couple, but me getting, yeah, you need for... At the sign of infidelity, because sometimes I gotta tell you something, is one thing when you decide to forgive a slut cheater. When you decide to forgive a slutty man who cheat a one thing, you know the type of girl them him a deal with. You know much girl dead and it's not the slut, it's not the whoring man kill them, and the girl them the whoring man a fuck. Set them up and kill them. Say, oh, you take away food out of me. You're taking away food from me. Him used to be here, now he's there. And the girl them a set up the girl them and I kill them. You think of the blood clot slutty man them? You think of the blood clot bed mattress man them? The lovers. One more. Yeah, the 6 up. Girl, I better you left that fuck. And let me tell you something. The moment you suspect say you're gonna cheat, girl, me living at 2025. Me not ask no question no more. Me just pack up and leave. You think me go in a debate or argument with man whether them a cheat or not, whether them have other girl or not? Me go debate with you for see your phone, for see messaging on your phone. Sir, you'd never hear from me again. I'm very comfortable with that. I don't know how you will learn to deal with your emotions for how much amount of years you dip on blood clot earth. Yes, the moment I suspect, I not ask you. I don't want to see your phone. Sir, I just not going to see you again. Some of them man come with some blood clot baggage. The girl them are before you. You know much girl dead? Because a side girl, you know much girl dead? Yeah, 2. Somebody having a 3-way shit. Or again, maybe somebody pin a crime because the Emperor is Aries. Maybe you pin a crime on your girlfriend because you needed her to go bye-bye so you can be with somebody else. Was it that serious though? Murder? Religious agenda? We have Virgo. Ooh. We have Leo. And we have mental health. So I don't know if just like Cancer's reading, somebody will claim insanity. I'm going to leave it here. Until next time. Bye.